Daily English, day 13. So if you're watching this video, please know that there is a PDF file available with gap fill exercises and different activities. It's available from eflsongs.com. It's free. Just click, download. You're welcome to use it. So, word bank. Down, own, just, because, good, each, those, feel. A-B conversation. Listen to the conversation, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. I just finished the story you gave me. What did you think? It was good. I liked how each character had their own idea. Yeah, those parts were really strong. I feel like I learned a lot from it. Same here, I wrote some notes down. Because it was short, I might read it again. Oh, that's a great idea. So, listening script 1. Listen to the short story, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. I walked down the stairs and saw my dog waiting for me. He wagged his tail just like he always does. It was a good morning because the sun was out. Each day starts better when I smile and stretch. That's how I feel ready for anything. Okay, now listening script 2, comprehension. Listen and answer the comprehension questions. At school, we talked about kindness. Those who help others feel better and build strong friendships. It's not just about saying nice words, but doing kind things. Each class made posters with good ideas. Now the hallway looks cheerful and full of colour. Comprehension questions. 1. What topic did the class discuss? 2. What happens when people help others? 3. What did each class create? 4. What do the posters show? 5. How did the hallway change? Also, if you like this kind of video, if you go to my channel on YouTube, my YouTube channel, you'll find a playlist called Daily English. So the Daily English playlist has videos like this one. You know, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 100, you know, it's going to be lots. Okay? All right.